It was always my dream to fly from Säntis, my home mountain. With an altitude of 2,502 meters and its exposed position, this is an incredible mountain. My last 2 attempts were unsuccessful. There was always too much wind at the top and I had to take off much lower in lighter winds. This is the big challenge of this location. The exposed ridge creates a Venturi effect and amplifies the wind quite a lot. Since the main wind was very calm, I decided to give it a try and started to hike up the steep walls of Säntis. Since there was zero wind, I decided to do the takeoff run along the ridge and then do a right turn to take off. This gave me the time to accelerate and also abort the takeoff in case a thermal wind strikes me from the back. And my strategy worked. After aborting the first attempt, the second one worked perfect. Okay, one thing, you're right, I forgot to look up to do my glider check. After a long and stunning flight, I decided to cross the valley and try to fly along the Kurfürsten. The crossing was not so bad and I even found some thermals on the other side of the valley. But suddenly a high cloud covered the sun and brought shadow over the whole valley. That actually helped me to make the call for landing and I headed to Wildhaus, where I landed safely. Thanks for watching, and no way click the thumb button below the video.